Hi, sit comfortably. Give yourself a deep breath in and out as you start to let your body relax. Good. I'm Lauren, a yoga therapist and meditation coach, and I teach simple evidence-based tools that help with stress, anxiety, and help you to feel better and more fully enjoy your life. I know how hard it can be, especially when life is busy and overwhelming. We run around and then we stop hoping to find a calm mind, but it's not always the case. It's all still happening in there, the momentum. And it's normal to feel anxious. And the overall effect that this stress has on our lives can really be tapered off with these practices. I'll show you how to get out in front of that stress right now. Take a deep breath in and out. Breathing normally to prepare for this simple tool called Restore Breath, to restore your presence and stabilize your thoughts. I'll demonstrate. We'll take 2 short, successive inhales with no breath in between, followed by a very long exhale. So it'll sound like this. Do that 2 or 3 times. Sip your breath in and a long, slow breath out. Good. Moving on to second tool. This is called 3-part breath. And you can find your breathing happening in different parts of your body. You can feel that inside, or you can use your hand, place your hand if you want, over to your chest. And feel the way as you breathe, your chest rises and falls, your breath moving your chest. That's one part. Now go ahead and bring your hands or your attention down lower to your ribs, somewhere around your abdomen, this intercostal part of your body. And breathe. Maybe you feel your ribs moving as you breathe. In and out. Now bring your hand onto your abdomen to feel somewhere around your navel as you breathe. Feel your abdomen moving as you breathe. Three parts: top, middle, bottom. Now we'll bring it all together. Breathe in through your nose and feel your chest expand. Then your ribs, then your navel. And then breathe out, long, slow breath out. Breathe in, top, middle, bottom, and a smooth, long breath out. Do this a few more times. In and down. And all the way out. 3-part breath. Top, middle, bottom, filling with breath. One more. Okay. Take a normal breath in and then blow it out like you're blowing out a candle. Do one more like that. In and blow your breath out. Breathe normally and notice how you feel. Give yourself a deeper breath in and a longer breath out. And then you may open your eyes. Notice how you feel now and how much of a change it can make in just a few moments. If you want to go deeper with this, head on over to my website. It's laurenziegler.com/meditation. And I have a way for you to go deeper on the website waiting for you. Until next time, take care.